Let me show you guys something awesome. So I uploaded this image and gave it a very detailed scene-by-scene prompt like this. And here's what I got.
I am sorry you lost your job, man, but I'm always here for you, bro. Anything you need, just ask.
Wow, thanks, man. Actually, can I borrow $50?
That was hilarious, right? Too good and super realistic. And wait, I have more. Next, I uploaded another image and gave it this scene-by-scene timeline prompt. And here's the output.
Mom, what's for lunch?
Meatballs.
Oh, come on, not meatballs again.
Where are you going, son?
I'm going to eat out.
Do you exactly know how unhealthy that is?
Mom made meatballs again.
Let's eat out today, son.
Well,
Wow, this literally looks like a Disney Pixar movie scene, didn't it? The character consistency is on a whole different level, and the prompt adherence is just god tier. Here is one more for you guys. I only uploaded an image of this fried chicken, then gave it this prompt, and this is what it generated.
The chicken is cold, woman! How am I supposed to eat this?
Where are you going, Dad?
I'm gonna get milk, son. I'll be back soon.
Finding milk.
You see how awesome that was, right? I am shocked to discover what you can actually create with AI now. Everything you just saw was generated using Sora 2, and today, I'll show you step by step how you can create something just like this. It's only been a few weeks since Sora 2 launched, and it's been total chaos ever since. People are using it to make all kinds of hilarious and creative content and going absolutely viral on social media. Now, as awesome as Sora 2 is, it's currently available only in the USA and Canada. But don't worry, because today I'll show you a tool through which you can generate high quality videos using Sora 2 that are up to 25 seconds long. And here's the best part. They're running a campaign right now where you can get unlimited access to Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro for the entire month. Yes, you heard that right. And I use this exact same tool to generate the videos I showed you earlier. Now, if you really want to use Sora 2 to create viral content, you need to move away from making those celebrity videos that everyone else is doing. OpenAI has already started heavily censoring videos containing celebrities or copyrighted characters. So if you're done with all the fun and games, it's time to start using Sora 2 to create real content that can actually earn you real money. The videos I showed you at the beginning are exactly the kind of content that works. Funny videos. Yes, organic funny videos are the best possible way to go viral. And with Sora 2, you can create viral meme videos like the ones I just showed you very easily, especially when prompted properly. And in today's video, I will show you how. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool I'm talking about is called MagicLight. They've recently integrated Sora 2 into their platform, and as you guys just saw, the results are absolutely amazing, right? Now to get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Here, you can find several options to generate videos. Using this feature, you just need to give it a prompt, and it will automatically create an entire video for you, including the script, images, clips, and everything else. You should definitely give this feature a try. But today, we'll be exploring the Sora 2 options. So let's click on this Sora 2 tab, and it will take you to this interface. Now let's generate some videos using Sora 2. First, let's upload our image. I'll upload this image. Let me show you how you can transform this image into something truly awesome. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll paste my prompt here, and as you can see, I've mentioned every shot and the lines I want the characters to say. As always, I've created a detailed document where I've added all the prompts used in this video. So if you want it, just comment prompt below and I'll share it with you. Next, if you click here, you'll notice several different video models available, including Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 Pro. I'll stick with Sora 2 for now. You can also select the video duration. I'll keep it at 10 seconds. With Sora 2, you can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, while Sora 2 Pro supports videos up to 25 seconds, as you can see here. And the best part, it's currently unlimited and doesn't cost any credits. So I'll click Create Video and let it do its magic. And here's the output.
I am sorry you lost your job, man, but I'm always here for you, bro. Anything you need, I mean anything, just ask.
Wow, thanks, man. Actually, can I borrow $50?
Wow, that was super funny, right? It actually looked and sounded like one of those real memes you see on Instagram or TikTok. This is wild. I only gave it an image of a green hoodie and a detailed prompt, and look what it created. A full comedy scene. That's already crazy, but the real magic is in the performance. The guy in the hoodie is comforting his friend, saying, anything you need, just ask. Then the friend asks to borrow $50 and he immediately walks away. The comedic timing is perfect, the dialogue matches the lip movements really well, both characters talk naturally, and the voices fit the scene perfectly. And the way he just walks away after offering help, that's visual comedy at its finest. Sora 2 understood the joke and executed it flawlessly. MagicLight's Sora 2 didn't just animate an image, it created a whole narrative moment with multiple characters and a hilarious payoff. Really impressive stuff. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload this image and give it a detailed prompt where I've explained each scene second by second. Next, I'll change the duration to 15 seconds and then simply hit generate. And here's the output.
Mom, what's for lunch?
Meatballs.
Oh, come on, not meatballs again.
Where are you going, son?
I'm going to eat out.
Do you exactly know how unhealthy that is?
Mom made meatballs again.
Let's eat out today, son.
Well,
Alright, now this is pure genius. One meatball image turned into this. Wow. We're talking multiple locations, a kitchen, outside the house, inside a car, multiple characters, the kid, the mom, the dad, full conversations with personality and humor. The story flows perfectly. Every character has their own voice and personality. The mom's calm, the kid's frustrated, and the dad goes from concerned to, yeah, let's go. The acting totally sells it, and the scene transitions work beautifully, kitchen to driveway to inside the car. It all connects smoothly like an actual short film. From a simple picture of meatballs to a full-on comedy short with multiple scenes, characters, dialogue, and story, that's not just animation, that's filmmaking. Sora 2 took a food image and turned it into entertainment. Absolutely wild. Let's try one more. This time, I'll upload this simple image of fried chicken, add my prompt, and hit generate. And here's the result.
The chicken is cold, woman! How am I supposed to eat this?
Where are you going, Dad?
I'm gonna get milk, son. I'll be back soon.
Finding milk.
Yep, just one fried chicken image turned into this dramatic short film. The guy's angry about cold chicken, tells his son he's going out to get milk and will be back soon. God knows if he ever will. It's the classic dad going to get milk joke. But Sora 2 turned it into an emotional cinematic moment. Multiple characters, different scenes, dialogue that builds tension, and a perfect punchline ending, all from a fried chicken image. The acting works too. The anger, the sadness in the kid's face, the dad's expression, it all sells the story. I'm telling you guys, with a little bit of creativity and MagicLight, you can use Sora 2 to create and even make money online. And remember, it's still AI, so it might not generate the perfect video on your first try. Keep tweaking your prompts and generating until you get the perfect result. And since it's currently unlimited, you don't even have to worry about credits. So there you have it, folks. Sora 2 unlocked with its full potential on MagicLight. And if you get a subscription, it's unlimited for the entire month. What more could you want? Go try it out right now. The link's in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.